Yo, what's up, legends? Today I'm showing you how I turned this basic cafe pic of my boy into a straight-up anime scene using AI. And no, I didn't sell my soul to Skynet to do it. Look at this. One moment he's just sipping a latte, next he's looking like he's about to save the world with espresso powers. And the best part? You can do it too, even if your art skills peaked with stick figures in third grade. Okay, quick lore drop. Me and my friends were chilling at this cute little cafe, just doing our usual talk about life like philosophers over cappuccino thing. I snapped this random pic of my dude mid-sip, and I was like, bro, what if this looked like it came from a graphic novel or something? So I fired up my AI tool, tossed the image in, added a few spicy prompts, and boom, this masterpiece popped out. Now he looks like he's got main character energy and a tragic backstory. That's when I knew I had to share this with y'all. All right, enough story time. Let's get you making your own AI glow-ups. Step 1, pick your pick. Any clear, well-lit photo works. Just make sure it's not blurry like your front camera at 3 a.m. AI ain't a miracle worker. Give it something to work with. Step 2, choose your AI tool. I use ChatGPT. Some are websites, some work through app. You can get Play Store or Apple Store, pick whatever works for you. Most of them are like, upload your image, type a vibe, press go. Step 3, write a strong prompt. This is where the magic happens. For mine, I type something like, make it Baki style. You can add stuff like comic book style, cinematic lighting, or Studio Ghibli vibes. Spice it up however you want. Step 4, download and save the image and post that masterpiece. Your follower's going to be like, yo, where'd you get this drawn? And you just hit them with AI, baby. Here's how to make your art hit harder than your morning espresso. Use high-quality, sharp photos. Play with styles. Try cyberpunk, vintage, watercolor, Pixar, whatever you vibe with. If the first result is May, re-roll it. Most tools give multiple variations. Don't be afraid to remix. Add a new background, change the character's outfit, make it look like fan art from an alternate universe. AI doesn't just follow instructions, it interprets your vibe. So be bold with it. And there you go. You just went from casual photo taker to digital artist with the power of AI. No drawing pads, no art school, just vibes, a keyboard, and a dream. If you're still here, you're a real one. Drop a comment with your favorite AI style, or just say latte gang, so I know you made it to the end. Hit that like button like it owes you money, and subscribe for more crazy transformations. Next time, I'm turning my cat into a Marvel superhero. You don't want to miss that. Catch you in the next one. Stay weird, stay creative. Peace.